Welcome back, everyone. If you are building a reliable solar system, you need the right gear. Today on Dudes Tech, we are checking out the top 5 best off-grid solar inverter models to keep your home or cabin running perfectly. Ready to find your ideal power solution? Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Aninerel off-grid solar inverter. Aninerel off-grid solar inverter is built to give you flexible and reliable power control for your solar system, whether you are living off-grid or setting up a smart backup solution. With a maximum photovoltaic input of 500 volts direct current, it can handle strong solar arrays and make full use of available sunlight. Inside, it features a powerful built-in 120 ampere maximum power point tracking controller. This helps the inverter extract the most energy possible from your solar panels throughout the day. By constantly adjusting to the best operating point, it improves charging efficiency and reduces wasted energy, especially when sunlight conditions change. One of the standout advantages of the Aninerel off-grid solar inverter is that it can work without a battery. This means you can run loads directly from solar power when the sun is available, which adds flexibility to your system design. For users who do include batteries, it is fully compatible with LiFePO4 batteries through RS485 communication, ensuring smooth data exchange and better battery management. Smart load management is supported through dual output. You can prioritize important appliances and separate them from non-critical loads. The inverter also allows multiple output priority modes, such as utility, solar, solar battery utility, and solar utility battery. This makes it easy to decide how and when each power source is used. The lithium battery activation function is another helpful feature. It can activate lithium batteries through solar input or utility power, which simplifies system setup and ensures stable startup. To improve battery health, the inverter includes an equalization function. This helps optimize battery performance and extend overall life cycle. For remote access, optional Wi-Fi monitoring allows you to check system performance from a distance. The detachable dust cover is designed for harsh environments, protecting internal components from dirt and debris. Altogether, the Aninerel off-grid solar inverter combines high-voltage photovoltaic input, intelligent maximum power point tracking, battery flexibility, smart output management, and remote monitoring into a practical and adaptable solar energy solution. Coming in at number 4, we have the CNswipower off-grid solar inverter. CNswipower solar inverter is a powerful hybrid solution designed for reliable off-grid energy systems. With 3,600 watts of output, it provides strong and stable power for running essential household appliances, tools, and electronic devices. Whether you are powering a cabin, workshop, or backup system, this inverter is built to handle demanding loads with confidence. Operating at 24 volts direct current input and delivering 120 volts alternating current output, the CNswipower inverter supports both 50 Hz and 60 Hz frequencies. This flexibility allows it to adapt to different regional standards and system setups, making installation more convenient. One of the key features is the built-in 120 ampere maximum power point tracking controller. This advanced MPPT system optimizes the energy harvested from your solar panels by constantly adjusting to the most efficient operating point. It improves charging performance and ensures that your battery bank receives maximum available solar energy throughout the day. The hybrid design allows the inverter to manage solar charging and power conversion in one unit. This reduces the need for separate controllers and simplifies wiring. It is especially useful for users who want a compact and efficient setup. Monitoring your system is easy thanks to the integrated LCD display. The screen shows important information such as input voltage, output status, battery level, and charging performance. This real-time data helps you keep track of system health and make adjustments when needed. With strong 3,600 watt capacity, 120 ampere MPPT charging, flexible frequency support, and an informative LCD display, the CNswipower off-grid solar inverter offers a dependable and efficient energy solution for solar-powered systems. At number 3, the Anenji off-grid solar inverter. Anenji Pure Sine Wave Hybrid Solar Inverter brings dependable and clean energy control to your off-grid system. With a solid 3,000 watts output capacity, it can power essential home appliances, tools, and electronics with stable performance. The pure sine wave output ensures smooth and safe electricity, which is especially important for sensitive devices like computers and televisions. This hybrid inverter is designed to work with a 24 volts battery system and supports 110 volts or 120 volts alternating current output. That flexibility makes it suitable for different home and cabin setups. Whether you are building a small off-grid home or setting up a reliable backup system, this inverter adapts easily. One of the key highlights is the built-in 100 ampere maximum power point tracking solar charger. This advanced MPPT technology maximizes the energy harvested from your solar panels. It constantly adjusts to the optimal operating point, helping you capture more sunlight and charge your batteries more efficiently throughout the day. The inverter also supports photovoltaic input up to 500 volts, giving you the ability to connect higher voltage solar arrays for better system design flexibility. As a hybrid solar inverter, it combines charging and power conversion in one unit. This simplifies installation and reduces the need for separate controllers. It helps create a cleaner and more organized solar setup. The Anenji off-grid solar inverter is built for reliable photovoltaic performance. With its 3 kilowatt output, 100 ampere MPPT solar charging, pure sine wave output, and support for high photovoltaic input voltage, it offers a practical and efficient solution for off-grid energy systems. In the second spot, we have the Sumri off-grid solar inverter. Sumri off-grid solar inverter is designed to deliver strong and reliable power for off-grid and backup energy systems. With a solid 4,000 watts output capacity, this inverter can run essential home appliances, tools, and electronics with stable performance. The pure sine wave output ensures clean electricity, which helps protect sensitive devices like computers, televisions, and kitchen equipment. This hybrid inverter works with a 24 volts direct current battery system and provides 110 volts alternating current output. It also supports a photovoltaic input of up to 350 volts direct current, giving you flexibility when designing your solar panel array. The built-in 140 ampere maximum power point tracking controller helps maximize the energy collected from your solar panels. By constantly adjusting to the optimal power point, it improves charging efficiency and helps your battery bank store more usable energy. One of the biggest advantages of the Sumri off-grid solar inverter is its hybrid capability. It combines solar charging and power conversion in one unit, which simplifies installation and reduces the need for extra equipment. This makes your system cleaner and easier to manage. For users who want remote monitoring, there is an option with built-in Wi-Fi. This allows you to check system performance, battery status, and power usage from your phone or computer. If you prefer a simpler setup, a version without Wi-Fi is also available. With 4 kilowatt output, 140 ampere MPPT charging, 350 volts photovoltaic input support, and pure sine wave power, the Sumri off-grid solar inverter offers a dependable and flexible solution for solar-powered homes, cabins, and backup systems. And finally, at number 1, we have the EVsolar off-grid solar inverter. EVsolar off-grid solar inverter delivers serious power and smart control for large-scale solar systems, making it a strong choice for homes, workshops, and off-grid setups. With a massive 12 kilowatt output, this inverter is built to handle heavy loads. You can run multiple appliances and high-demand equipment without constantly worrying about power limits. One of the first things you notice is the LCD HD display. It gives you real-time data about voltage, output, and system status. You can also set different parameters directly on the screen, which makes system adjustments simple and clear. Instead of guessing what is happening inside your power system, you always know exactly how it is performing. The EVsolar off-grid solar inverter supports both 120 volts and 240 volts split-phase or single-phase output. This flexibility is important because it allows the inverter to work with different home electrical systems. Whether you need standard household power or split-phase output for larger appliances, it adapts to your setup easily. It operates with a 48 volts direct current input, giving you versatile voltage compatibility for various battery banks. This makes it suitable for different solar configurations, especially for users building custom energy storage systems. Wi-Fi integration adds another layer of convenience. You can monitor and manage the inverter remotely, which is extremely useful if your solar system is installed in a separate room or building. Instead of walking to the inverter every time you want to check performance, you can view updates and manage settings from a distance. Safety is also a key focus. The inverter is UL certified, meaning it meets strict safety standards. This gives you peace of mind knowing the system has been tested for reliability and secure operation. Finally, the built-in maximum power point tracking technology helps maximize energy capture from your solar panels. It continuously adjusts to get the most efficient output from your photovoltaic array, improving overall system performance. With 12 kilowatt power output, split-phase capability, Wi-Fi monitoring, UL certification, LCD control, and maximum power point tracking technology, the EVsolar off-grid solar inverter combines strength, flexibility, and smart management in one powerful unit. Power up your off-grid setup with confidence. Check the price link in the description to find the best deals on these incredible solar inverters. If this video helped you build your perfect system, please like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more expert reviews. See you next time.